Hello viewers, in this session we are discussing about class Phaeophyce and class Rhodophyce in algae members in the chapter Plant Kingdom. So let us discuss about initially Phaeophyce. Commonly Phaeophyce members are also called as brown algae. Mostly these Phaeophyce members are found in marine habitats. They found in marine habitats and it shows variation in size and its forms. They show great variation in size and forms. Mostly some are the range from simple branched filamentous forms to profusely branched forms. So the size and forms from simple branched filamentous forms to up to profusely branched forms. So example for simple branched filamentous forms is ectocarpus. So ectocarpus shows simple branched filamentous forms and profusely branched forms shows kelps. So in kelps the height may be reach up to 100 meters height. Kelps the shows its height up to 100 meters. It means it shows profusely branched forms in kelps. But in ectocarpus it shows simple branched filamentous forms. Simple branched filamentous forms. And in Phaeophyce members, the pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids, and xanthophylls. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids, and xanthophylls. These pigments are present in Phaeophyce members or brown algae members. Its color varies from olive green to brown color. It is depending upon the amount of the xanthophyll pigment and fucoxanthin. So, depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigment and fucoxanthin, these members shows different color. So, color is varies from species to species. From some shows olive green color and some are shows brown in color. So, its color depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigment, fucoxanthin present in that plant bodies. Reserve food material. In Phaeophyce members, the reserve food material is in the form of laminarin or mannitol. It is complex carbohydrates. These are complex carbohydrates. The reserve food material in Phaeophyce members or brown algae members is laminarin or mannitol. These are complex carbohydrates. Cell wall is commonly made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, but outside the cell wall it contains algin. It contains algin. Algin is nothing but it is a gelatinous coat. Outside the cell wall, gelatinous coating is present, that is algin. The protoplast, it contains extra materials, that is addition to plastids, it contains centrally located vacuole and also nucleus. Plant body shows three parts: hold fast cell, stalk and stipe. Hold fast, stalk and stipe. Plant body attached to the substratum by a hold fast cell. The plant body which are attached to whole substratum, that is called hold fast cell. That is called hold fast cell. And stipe is nothing but it is a stalk of the plant body. Stalk of the plant body is called stipe. The plant body which is attached to substratum is called hold fast. And leaf like organs are called frond. Leaf like organ is called frond. It is photosynthetic organ. It performs photosynthesis. So leaf-like photosynthetic organs are called frond. Plant body shows three regions or three main parts: holdfast, stalk, and stipe. Holdfast is it is attached to substratum by holdfast cell, and stipe is nothing but stalk of the plant body. Frond is leaf-like photosynthetic organ. Reproduction. Commonly reproduction is three types: vegetative, asexual, and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction occur by fragmentation. Fragmentation means in this each pieces capable to produce new species. So this is called fragmentation. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction occur with the help of zoospores. Zoospores are motile. It contains a flagella. Flagellated spores are called zoospores. The flagella, number of flagella is 2. So that spores are called biflagellated zoospores. Biflagellated zoospores. These zoospores, these biflagellated zoospores are pear-shaped. They appear pear-shaped and have two flagella. The two flagella are unequal and laterally attached flagella. The flagella are two, both are unequal. Unequal two flagella attached laterally. Zoospores are pear-shaped. And sexual reproduction, it may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Sexual reproduction occur with the help of gametes. That reproduction may be isogamous or anisogamous or oogamous. The gametes, these are pyriform. Gametes are pyriform. It means pear-shaped. Gametes are pear-shaped. That shape is called pyriform. And they have two laterally attached flagella. In asexual reproduction, also zoospores contains two unequal laterally attached flagella, and here in sexual reproduction, gametes also contains two laterally attached flagella. Common members of Phaeophyce are Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum, and Fucus. These are some examples belongs to Phaeophyce or brown algae members. Let us discuss another class, that is Rhodophyce. See the picture, belongs to brown algae, that is Phaeophyce, Laminaria. It shows three regions: holdfast. By using these holdfast cell, it attached to substratum. And stalk of the plant body is stipe. Stipe. Frond is the leaf-like appendages. It perform photosynthesis. It perform photosynthesis. So Phaeophyce members shows a holdfast cell, stipe, and frond. Fronds are leaf-like photosynthetic organs. It is Fucus, a Phaeophyce member. Fucus, it shows holdfast cell, midrib, that is appear like midvein, and it is frond, and air bladder also contains. It is Fucus, a Phaeophyce member. Dictyota, it shows stipe and fronds, belongs to Phaeophyce member. And let us discuss about another class, that is Rhodophyce. Commonly, Rhodophyce members are called red algae. Commonly, these are called red algae because of the presence of the pigment or phycoerythrin in their body. In Rhodophyce members, body contains phycoerythrin, so that it shows more dominant color, that is red color, so that these are called red algae. Rhodophyce members commonly called as red algae because of the predominance of red color pigment, that is or phycoerythrin. Mostly these are found in marine habitats, and they occur in both high light intensity regions. They occur both high light intensity regions and also little light areas. High light intensity areas, so it is close to the surface of water body, and also they occur great depths in oceans where relatively little light areas. And the chlorophyll pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D and phycoerythrin. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, phycoerythrin. Stored food materials. In Rhodophyce members, the stored food material is Floridian starch. This Floridian starch, it is similar to amylopectin and glycogen in its structure. Floridian starch, its structure is similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Its structure similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Reserve food material is Floridian starch in Rhodophyce members. And reproduction by occur in three ways: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction occur with the help of fragments, that is called fragmentation. Each fragment is nothing but a piece. Each fragment can capable to produce new species, so that form is fragmentation. And asexual reproduction, it occur by non-motile spores. It means there is no flagella absent. Sexual reproduction occur by gametes. Here gametes also non-flagellated gametes. It means these are non-motile. And in sexual reproduction, male and female gametes are involved. Female sex organ is called carpogonium. Female sex organ is called carpogonium, and it is flask shaped. Female sex organs in Rhodophyce members are called carpogonium. These are flask shaped. Male sex organ is called spermatium. Male sex organs are called spermatium in Rhodophyce members. Female sex organs are called carpogonium in Rhodophyce members. Male and female sex organs are present, both are involved sexual reproduction. And these sexual reproduction occur by oogamous It is oogamous. Common members of Rhodophyceae members are Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria, and Gelidium. Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria, and Gelidium. It is Porphyra, a Rhodophyceae member. It is Polysiphonia, a Rhodophyceae member. Polysiphonia. And it is divisions of algae and their main characteristics. It contains class, common name, major pigments, stored food, cell wall, flagellar number and position of insertions, and its habitat. See the first class Chlorophyceae. It is green algae. It contains chlorophyll A and B as its pigments, and stored food material is in the form of starch. Cell wall contains cellulose and also pectins. Flagellar number and position of insertions. Flagellar number is 2 to 8 flagellas. Flagellar, all flagella equal, and it present apical. Habitat, its habitat is, these are fresh water, brackish water, and also they appear salt water. Second class is Phaeophyceae. These are commonly called as brown algae. Pigments in Phaeophyceae members are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, and fucoxanthin. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, and fucoxanthin. Stored food material in Phaeophyceae member is mannitol or laminarin or mannitol. These are complex carbohydrates. Cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, and that cell wall covered with gelatinous algin. Flagellar number and position of insertions. Number of flagella is 2. Flagellas are unequal and they are present laterally. Habitat of Phaeophyceae members. These are freshwater organisms, brackish water, and also some members are present salt water. Third class, Rhodophyceae. Commonly these members are called red algae. Why? Because predominance of the red pigment are phycoerythrin. Pigments in Rhodophyceae members, major pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, and phycoerythrin. The reserve food material in Rhodophyceae members is Floridian starch. Reserve food material is Floridian starch. This Floridian structure is similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, pectin, and polysulfate esters. Flagellar number and position of insertions. In these members, flagella is absent. Habitat, fresh water, brackish water, and some are present salt water also. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel.